everyone.
Merry little Christmas.
Hi. It's been a week since I started the Vlogmas. So as part of my Vlogmas now is my holiday trip to Italy. So I am preparing for that because that's gonna be my first international travel since I started working here in Ireland. So I'm very excited about it, and I think I over prepared for it. I bought some new things from Uniqlo, and I bought a new luggage, a medium luggage, because the only thing that I have here is a big bag and large luggage. And I guess it's nice to show you how I unbox these things. I'm just gonna open it like this. I think I need a scissors. I have a Caesar. www.uniqlo.com. This is the first thing that I bought. This is soft touched. Not like long sleeve, so. Neck shirt that you don't have to worry about like folding it, or it's kind of like bulky. So this one is not bulky at all. It's just like an extension for your neck, so you won't be cold. It's also HEATTECH, so it's gonna help you when you're going to winter country like Italy. So I'm living in a winter country right now, so I'll be able to use them. Nice. This one is the HEATTECH trousers, or what we call HEATTECH tights for men. Okay, yeah, I badly need it because I always feel cold in my legs, especially when I go around Italy. It will be like walking in. I needed this. Yeah, so it's just like a good and nice cloth. It has a heat technology. So I bought another pair, so it's the same. Okay, this one is a long sleeve. It's another HEATTECH. It's 1.5 times the heat retention of HEATTECH, so it's kind of like better than the ordinary HEATTECH products. So extra warm turtleneck long sleeves t-shirts. Like this is stretchable. This is the kind of like turtleneck that you have to fold. I would want to have this kind of thing, and I would also want to have the previous one that I showed you. So this is kind of like a long neck, like, but it's not like a turtleneck. And then this one is a turtleneck one. Yeah. So for my trip to Italy, I need a luggage. I had to buy a medium one because the only luggage that I would have here is the large one, like the large one, which is which I bought from the Philippines. Now I got the package and it's already here. Ta-da! For when life calls, be ready. It's American Tourister. Wow. You can purchase this in 3 different colors. In black, yellow, or teal. Cristiano Ronaldo as their ambassador. So I'm going to take this out now. So this is the bag. You can use this for laundry. Dun 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 dun. It's a simple medium luggage. It has 4 wheels. There's rock. I don't need this plastic, so I'm going to remove it. Yep. Another one. has your name tag in here covered. Dun, 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 dun. It has a strap here, a pocket here, and a tag. That's the stuff that I've received today, so next part of the video will be my packing video. My video of how I packed for my trip. So these are the things that I'm gonna bring for my Italy trip. This is my bag. I got it from Pull & Bear, and this is what I'm gonna use for cabin. So I'm gonna put my travel essentials, my headphone, my hard drive, power bank, driving all the cables and wires that I need. This is my passport, and of course it's winter time, so I need my gloves and my MacBook. My tour in Italy is only for 5 days, so I guess this is enough. HEATTECH, long sleeves, pants, hoodies, coats. This is gonna be my bag when I go around. You can put your passport, your phone, and your power bank and your camera, and I think that's nice. This shoes also. I also have my toiletries here that I already put here because I don't have a bag. I don't have a toiletries bag yet. I have 3 perfumes, and this is from the Philippines. This is bench fix. I like this because my hair is kind of like strong, so this holds my hair very well. I would have my mask maybe, so I'm planning to do a skincare routine. I don't know if I'd have the guts to do that, but I'll try. So I got this from Kiehl's, and this one is also from Kiehl's. So this one is my everyday moisturizer. I got this from Tesco. It is very good, especially for winter time, and also this one for winter time. So here what I put is my laptop. Yeah, and this one I will always wear this. The most important thing of all is here. And these. Put it here. And that's me now sorted for my flight. Yeah, so now that's me sorted for my Italian trip next week, and I'm just so excited. I already have the accommodation for Rome, for Milan, for Florence, and I'm going to Vatican, and of course my favorite part of the trip will be in Milan. There, thank you for watching, and I'm sorry if I never had a chance to do a proper introduction. If you're new to my channel, you'll be like, who the hell is this? Who the hell is that guy? Like, oh, cringy. I'm planning to do a full introduction video using a Q&A when I have a free time in my tour. I'm still ecstatic about this kind of thing, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate you guys watching this kind of videos for me. I know I'm just learning, but this is just like a dream come true for me, and thank you so much. If you liked the video, please give it a like. I'm not confident with the vlogs that I'm making right now, but yeah, hopefully maybe next year I'll be better. And hopefully by then you'll all subscribe to my channel, and ciao.